Hello, sixth graders. This is a video to explain how to complete your homework, which is the geography assessment number 1, and then turn it in Wednesday, September 30th and Thursday, October 1st classes. So I'm going to click on our homework right here. You'll see that you'll need to identify the map tools by underlining the title, circle the scale, box in the compass, and star the key. For those of you in Wednesday's class, this is due Thursday by 8 a.m. If you are in Thursday's class, this will be due Friday by 8 a.m. You'll have plenty of time to work on it in the afternoons, so it shouldn't be too difficult for you. We're going to click on our arrow. Here's where we see our assessment. It is a Google slide, so click on that. We'll want to open up in Google Slides, so we'll click right there in the box in the top right-hand corner. That should take us to Google Slides. Here's what the slide looks like. You do not need to put it in present mode. If you put it in present mode, then you're not going to be able to maneuver the little keys that I have for you to maneuver. So anyways, what you need to do is underline the title. So this is movable. You click on it, and you can just drag it where you want to put it. You're going to drag it to where the title is. Okay, so wherever you think the title of this map is, that's where you're going to place it. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller, depending upon how big the title is. You're going to circle the scale, so put that oval around wherever you see the scale. Again, click on it and move it, and then same with the box. You're going to put the box or the rectangle around the compass. So wherever you see the compass, that's where you're going to put the box, and then same with the star. Wherever you see the map key, that's where you're going to place the star. Okay, once you have everything placed where you want it to be, you'll notice this is worth 8 points. You have 4 things to maneuver, 4 things to do. And once you are done, each one is worth 2 points. Once you are done, you're going to hand it in. So you're going to go back up to this classroom right here under classwork with the arrow. Okay, and then you're going to click on the X right up here in the top. Everything's been saved for you. And then you're going to click Turn In. Turn in again. And then be patient and wait until it tells you that the assignment has been turned in. Okay. To get back to the directions, you click here to go back to the beginning, and then the arrow up in the top left-hand corner. All right. And as you can see, it's grayed out. My homework is now grayed out. It was orange at one time. Now it's grayed out, and that means that it's been turned in. Good luck. Do your best. This should not be a very difficult assessment. Again, it is due the following day after it was assigned. Wednesday, it's assigned on Wednesday. It's due Thursday morning. Those of you in Thursday's class, it's assigned Thursday. It will be due Friday morning. All right. If you have any questions, please stop in during my office hours, and have a good day.